me here because makaka-relate ka rin dito. Homekeepers like us want nothing more than a sparkling, clean place to live and breathe in. Ask anyone and most likely pare-pareho kami nang sasabihin. We do not just do it for ourselves but for our loved ones, our family.
Siyempre, aside from the fact na safe ang gusto nating environment, ay gusto rin natin pleasing and fresh ang ambience. Dahil katumbas nito, happy rin ang mood ng family.
Exactly, which is why we go to great lengths to achieve it and we dedicate time and effort when it comes to cleaning the house.
Pero kung dati-dati naabot ka ng ilang oras sa paglilinis at badabadang pawis na ang nauubos mo, aba, oras na para baguhin ang style mo.
You said it right, Wilma Lynn, because right now we are going to witness just how cleaning can be as easy as 1, 2, 3. We have here different household items or areas in the house na medyo among the toughest talaga to clean. A filthy countertop, isang pet cage, yan, gusto ko talagang malaman paano yan lilinisin, and of course, trash cans.
Naman, paano malilinis ang mga ito in just a matter of minutes? Ipapakita sa atin, of course, ni Ms. Renelle de los Santos.
Welcome back to the show.
Good evening, Wilma. Let's start off with the
Kitchen countertop.
yes, kitchen countertop. It's really important when we start cleaning our surfaces in the house is we have a ready mixture of our cleaning product, which is
Yes.
Pine Sol Cleaner. So what we have here now is Pine Sol Orange Energy. We have a mixture here which is usually 1/4 cup of Pine Sol Cleaner mixed in a 1 gallon of water.
Okay.
Spray the surface with Pine Sol, the mixture. We use a sponge, damp sponge. Wipe the area. We spray water and wipe it with a
With a
Clean
rag,
cloth.
diba? O,
Yeah.
wag yung the same sponge
of
that
course.
you used.
For the pet cage or the pet areas, when cleaning the pet area or the pet cage is we use it full strength. Every time we clean it with Pine Sol, we rinse it with water thoroughly.
What's the proper way naman to clean trash cans? You have to clean trash cans, ha?
Yeah. What we do is, again, we suggest you use it full strength. Kasi basically,
Lahat ng dumi
yung lahat ng
nandun.
dumi nandyan. Every time we empty our trash cans with trash bags, you clean it before you line it up again with a trash bag.
Thank you very much.
Thank you again for having us here.
At saka syempre dahil mabait ang Pine Sol, binigyan nila ang ating mga audience
Bait talaga ng
again.
Pine Sol.
Hanggang Pine Sol. Parang ang dali-dali tuloy maglinis ng bahay kung yan ang gamit natin.
With it, wala nang excuse to have a house that's untidy and dirty.
True. Malinis na, mabango pa, enjoy ka pa habang naglilinis ng bahay, di ba? Maraming salamat sa Pine Sol para sa pabigay
Yes,
sa atin.
thank you very much.
Innovation na kailangan natin.
When we come back, learn how to make a project that you can create with your child at home. A bunny basket. Stay with us.
Do you have a pencil story you want to share? Email it with your picture to sweetlife@jimnetwork.com and have the chance to be featured in the Sweet Life and win exciting prizes from Pine Sol.